Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. In this video, check out some of John-Marc's pop art cartoons. Hey, it's John-Marc, and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Well, today we're going to take a little sidestep and check out some of my pop art cartoon that I have created. Here's Batman, and here's Spider-Man, and of course we all know who Superman is. We can't forget Iron Man. Captain America, he's my favorite. The Incredible Hulk. Here's Scarlet Witch. And can't forget also Black Widow. Then Thor, really cool guy. The Aquaman, the old classic version. Here's Punisher. I actually worked on comic books for him. Here's Buck. And here's a Black Panther. Cool dude. Here's one of the Turtles. Dude, yep. And gotta get the chick Wonder Woman in there. Here's Deadpool. And I did a Mickey Mouse, of course. Here's Joker. The classic Joker I like too. Here's Judy. Another favorite of mine, Wolverine. Here's Lex Luthor. Here's Two-Face. And here's Sandman. Here's Loki. Another classic character. Oh, gotta get Elsa in there. Here's Hawkeye. And here's Dr. Octopus. I really like how that one came out. Thanks for checking these out. I hope you enjoyed them. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.